In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly sync your ClickUp tasks to Google Calendar events with full two-way updates. This seamless integration allows you to stay on top of both your tasks and appointments across platforms, making sure nothing is missed and giving you a truly synchronized workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to manage your projects and schedules effortlessly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Once there, click on the login button to access your workspace, where all your tasks, projects, and settings are stored. One of the easiest ways to log in is by using your Google account. Click on Sign in with Google and select the account you want to use for this integration. Make sure it's the same account connected to your Google Calendar, as this will allow the two-way sync to function correctly. Once you're logged into ClickUp, locate your profile name on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on it will open a menu with additional options. Hover over Apps and then click on App Center. This is where ClickUp houses all available integrations and third-party connections, including Google Calendar. Within the App Center, you'll see a variety of apps designed to enhance your workflow. Search for Google Calendar and click on it. On the integration page, you'll find a Connect button. Clicking this will initiate the linking process between ClickUp and your Google Calendar. You'll be prompted to grant the necessary permissions, which ensures that tasks and events can sync seamlessly in both directions. Once the integration is complete, any tasks you create or update in ClickUp will automatically appear in your Google Calendar and vice versa. This two-way sync keeps your schedule accurate and up to date. So whether you're planning a new project task or scheduling a meeting, both platforms reflect the latest information in real time. This setup is particularly useful for teams or individuals managing multiple projects simultaneously. It saves time, reduces manual updates, and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. If you ever need to adjust settings or troubleshoot, both ClickUp and Google provide support resources to guide you. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a two-way sync between ClickUp and Google Calendar, making your digital life more organized and efficient. By keeping your tasks and events aligned across platforms, you'll always stay on top of your schedule. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful, and happy organizing.